Apparently, for assignment 6, I'm supposed to make something that's radially symmetrical. Let's go explore some things in SketchUp and see what we can come up with. I'm sharing my screen. We're going to our favorite program, SketchUp. I made a bunch of nonsense right here. There's like a long French fry sticking out of a paper plate. And what I want to do is rotate this around and have that be cloned. It's a group already. And I want to rotate it from the center point of this circle. Now, as you know, if I grab my rotate tool, Q for rotate, and I roll over the edge of the circle, it'll give me the center point. But the circle's inside this ring. I put a ring vertically on the outside of the circle, and then I spun it around using the follow me tool. So I've got this kind of little dish in here. Great, but I no longer can see where my circle is. If you ever have that happen, or you want to see inside something that you've made, go to View and turn on Face Style X-Ray, and then you can see the parts. You can see the circle right there inside that ring. And here's even better. When I roll over that circle that's inside the ring, it does what it always does. It shows me where the center is. So now I can come over here, click on that spot. So I want to make sure my Option key is down. See that little plus sign that shows up next to it? Control on the PC, right? And then what I want to do is click once to establish the center, once to establish a handle from that center, and then I'm going to start dragging that way. Some number that divides easily into 360, like maybe 36. And then I just have to say, I want that to happen 10 more times. X 10 times 10. And it does just what I asked it to do. I love when it does that. And I come back here and say, I don't know what it is, but it's gorgeous. You have to put it in your house. I love it. Okay, what we want to do now is take this sphere and we're going to rotate around this circle. Same trick, Q tool, because I have a circle, it tells me where the center is. Click there once. Option key to make sure that I get another one. Click there, and I'm going to say like 15 degrees. And then I'm going to say X 24. And it says, you want to make a string of pearls? Outstanding. And then this one's going to be kind of cool. We are going to take this oddball shape that I made with a couple of arcs, actually 3 arcs welded together. And then I made it like a pillow shape out of that. Remember when we made the pillow, shrink it a little bit, smoothen the edges? So it's kind of cool. What I'm going to do is use the rotate tool back over here somewhere and click once again, Option key to make sure I'm cloning that shape. Click here and then drag it like that, say 30 degrees, and then say X 12 of those, and we have made a sunflower for Ukraine. So hopefully that gives you a clear sense of how you might go about doing radial symmetry for, you name it, pretty much anything. See ya.